Aloe is a key ingredient in many cosmetic products. In addition to its healing properties, however, it also makes an absolutely fantastic houseplant and is a very easy to grow and difficult to kill houseplant. Its large, thick, fleshy leaves not only bring structure and architecture into the home, but as an evergreen plant, aloe will provide interest throughout the entire year. Mature plants can also produce the most incredible bright yellow flowers, which are quite similar to that of a red hot poker. Aloe is like a sunny location, such as a south-facing windowsill, where it can bask in the heat and the light. If possible though, try and avoid the plant getting scorched during the midday sun. Remember not to grow in a shaded position or around more tropical plants that require higher humidity. When potting, make sure that you use a very free-draining compost and mix in plenty of grit. Aloes are succulents, and these are ideal for anyone that's a tad forgetful when it comes to watering. When watering, allow the plant to completely dry out in between, and remember that its fleshy leaves store and hold a lot of water, so it really doesn't need to be continually flooded. You can use the sap straight from the leaves, which works wonders and is much cheaper than buying aloe vera skin cream. Although the sap is absolutely fantastic for skincare and burns, we would recommend that you don't eat the plant as it can cause severe discomfort. For more information on how to grow aloes and how to use them, visit the RHS website.